Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Gemini. So, this is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. And today, Gemini, will be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. So this is the card for your moon energies, and this is the card for your love guidance. So we will see what it is as we proceed, Gemini. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first, guys. Gemini. So we have 6 of water, 10 of water, and ace of earth. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really confident about the way you are, guys, maybe the way you handle your circumstances, and you see yourself as the person having a lot of skills and talents moving in the right way towards success and prosperity. And that is what is happening today in your circumstances. You are feeling really confident, happy about the way things are going, because in your work or in your personal life, maybe you are seeing positive changes and seeing good results, maybe whatever you expected. So in your work, maybe the projects or whatever work related things you do, you are seeing lucrative returns, something gives you happiness, and you are feeling contentment and joy today, guys, Gemini. So things are really falling into place and you feel really happy to be here, happy with the people you love. Maybe you have a good family or you have this person you love and you feel what to say, you love the way they treat you, love the way they look after you, they see you, and happy for the way things are going in this relationship. Maybe they love your company just like you love to be with them today, guys, Gemini. And you are feeling really satisfied, content, happy, and you feel a deep connection with this person. That bonding is there and you love their companionship, and maybe that may be the reason you are telling them something of your past, maybe of your life, your past situation, maybe something, it may be some good memories, some good sweet memories of the past, or some painful wounds that you have healed from. So whatever it is, you are moving towards that authentic healing. So you are letting this person know that what you have gone through your life and the way you are, the reason for the way you are today, and you are feeling really secure and safe with this person. That may be the reason you are revealing something of your past, telling them all your secrets, maybe, guys, today. So you do not have any inhibition, anything holding you back from this person. The reason may be this person and yourself, you may be in true love, guys. That may be the reason here. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it says Chariot. So maybe this relationship is what to say, guys. You are going to see things moving towards marriage or commitment, and you are living truthfully. Maybe that is what we were speaking about. You are revealing about your past, maybe all that secrets. So there are no more secrets between you both, Gemini. And maybe you were scared to tell them in the beginning, but it may be your energy or their energy, guys. Scared to reveal the truth, thinking what this person will think of you, or how they will, what will be their reaction to your past. But once you tell them the truth, you have that understanding in your heart that truth is much better than some false identity you are showing them. So being truthful is what is the thing most important in any relationship. So Gemini, for your career situation, guys, we have 3 of Earth. So with this card, it just means that you have a lot of good people working with you, helping you out, and you have that teamwork happening in your work situation, and things are really going in a positive way in your work situation, Gemini. So for your moon energies, Gemini, we have take time to breathe out. So it just means that in your circumstances, maybe in your work, or it may be in your personal life, there has been something, maybe some kind of a situation that happened that just peaked, and maybe today you want to know the answer, maybe, or outcome of that situation. Maybe you are expecting something, but this may be the time for you to accept whatever happening in your life, and maybe take time to relax and breathe. So if you feel that you have hit an obstacle, or you have failed in some way, you need to understand that you have to handle your circumstances differently the next time. So you have to be honest about this present situation and understand that life goes on no matter what. Maybe you see some difficulties or something going wrong today. You need to be really confident, hopeful about that future, what lies ahead for you. And things go on, life goes on no matter what. And this may be the time also to share your wisdom or knowledge, maybe, guys. So maybe you were speaking, we were seeing that energy also. Maybe you are communicating about your past life, whatever you went through. So you have shared your experience, and that is going to, help that other person, even if it is the person you love. So they will, know what to do in a similar circumstance, or the way to handle that circumstance in a better way, guys. So for your love guidance, Gemini, we picked one card, and it says release. Such an apt card, guys, for you all. So maybe indeed, Gemini, you are thinking about something of the past, maybe worrying of someone from your past, maybe, guys. So this may be the time for you to have that self-acceptance and forgiveness in your heart. So this is the time for you to heal. Let go of all that illusions or all that past, whatever is holding you back, guys. Give up that shame, regret, self-criticism, and create a space for love and forgiveness. That is going to help you a lot, guys. So when we expel all that toxic energies from our heart and mind, we will create space for love and something positive to come in our life. So day to day life, we must be really conscious what we are thinking and what are our intentions. So when we have that loving positive intentions, that is what we are going to get back, guys, Gemini. So that is the energy here, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching, Gemini. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Gemini. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.